took me so long to figure out it was it's the easiest.
So hard.
So it's profiles. What we do is we do fingerprints and we do a picture.
I know Adelaide is falling. And that is Cindy. Well, of course. Captain Obvious.
I always like, it's kind of like, yeah, we scroll, look to find what's going on, what the name is, and then when you see it, you say, oh yeah, I remember that.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Oh, of course.
Of course it's that.
I could have called it that. Would have been right and not even noticed. Sydney is flown by Thomas Randall out of, my goodness, they're right out of Placitas, New Mexico.
Oh, that's another one. I remember that.
So,
that's right here. So.
Where were you? You should know that one.
I know.
Come on, man.
You know, we have a number of balloon pilots that live here, and they really don't fly that often, even though in Albuquerque we can typically fly 300 days a year. That's the number we throw out. Rainbow Riders are up basically every single day. Well, we go out every single weekend, and there'll be 30 or 40 balloons out. And there's a lot of weekdays. It's kind of like, you know, the weekend weather doesn't look so great. We want to fly, so can we get off on Friday? Especially now that most of the crew that I work with and fly with, we're all retired now, so going out on a weekday is nice and easy to do.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, it's so we don't always see everybody. I mean, Sydney's a great example. The other one is a balloon we talked a lot about yesterday, Mr. Sprinkles, J.J. Mancini, who came in, got on the poles. He was in the competition, right in the thick of the competition on Monday and Tuesday.
We're going to go this way.
Yeah,